Okay, the non-summary concluding paragraph. Okay, the writer does not summarize the essay or simply restate the thesis using the same words. A well-written essay does not need a summary. Connect the thesis from the intro paragraph to a larger issue, to the community, to the writer himself or herself, or to some broad philosophical concept. Blend the thesis or its primary abstract thematic concept into this larger issue. The student may also bookend a significant detail from the showing part of the introductory paragraph. Ask these questions about the concluding paragraph. All answers should be yes when you ask yourself these questions. Okay, does the conclusion avoid summarizing the main points of the paper? Does the writer attempt to discuss what is significant about the paper's thesis? Does the writer attempt to relate the thesis to contemporary culture and/or concerns? Does the conclusion push beyond the boundaries of the prompt and allow the reader to consider broader issues, make new connections, and elaborate on the significance of your findings? Does the conclusion give the reader something to take away that will help him see things differently or appreciate the topic in personally relevant ways? Okay, sample conclusion. I'm not going to read this to you because you guys can read. If you want to see a sample conclusion, this is where you can find it. Okay, for today, you guys are going to be planning your essay. I don't know if I've posted this under assignments yet, but I'll post it after I explain it. Looks like I have posted it. Okay, so right here in the first box, you are just answering the question, what are the primary tasks that you are being asked to complete? So basically, what are the main things that the prompt is asking you to do? Okay, then you're going to fill in the chart with the information for your essay. This chart is for an intro paragraph. Okay, so over here, you're going to type the title. Be sure that it's punctuated correctly. Okay, author, be sure that it's first and last name and that it's spelled correctly. Okay, genre, you could say play or drama. Okay, tone, you'll come up with your own tone word to describe the play. As you see right there, the example is nostalgic sonnet. Okay, nostalgic is the tone word there. Okay, organizational structure, this is optional. Okay, so it's basically, if your essay is a definition essay, a cause and effect essay, a comparison, or is it organized chronologically, you would just tell your reader how your essay is going to be organized. Okay, but once again, that is optional. Okay, you need to be sure that you're addressing theme. Okay, that should be easy to do because this whole paper is over the theme of Romeo and Juliet. Okay, but even if it wasn't over theme, you would still need to address the theme in the intro paragraph. Okay, when you are addressing the theme, it needs to be universal and it needs to be a phrase within the thesis sentence. Okay, you guys know how to write thesis statements. You need to be sure that the theme part of your thesis statement is universal. Okay, can be applied to everyone, everywhere. Not specific to Romeo and Juliet, but broad for everyone. Okay, then here's an example of a intro paragraph. Here's the structure of it. Okay, hook, title, author, genre, transition, thesis statement. Okay, and then right here in the sample intro paragraph provided, you're going to highlight all level 1 bright yellow. You're going to highlight all level 2 bright green. You're going to highlight all level 3 in bright blue. Okay, and then you're going to go up here and you are going to insert comments for each part of the intro paragraph. So if what I just highlighted was what I thought was the hook, I would make a comment that that's the hook. Okay, obviously it's not. That's the tone word. Okay, and then down here in this chart, this is where you are going to write your intro paragraph. Okay, so beside hook, this is where you're going to come up with your hook for your Romeo and Juliet essay. Okay, title, author, genre, and transition right here, and then your thesis statement that contains your universal theme. Okay, and then for number 3, you are going to go ahead and pick out the evidence that you are going to use in your 2 body paragraphs to prove your claim in your thesis statement. Okay, so, and this will be after you create your topic sentences, which I totally just skipped over. Okay, after your intro paragraph, you're going to write your 2 topic sentences. You need to be sure that each topic sentence is a part of your theme, which is your overall claim in your thesis statement, meaning it should be level 3. Do not put plot, or just a device in your topic sentences. It has to have a claim. We talked about that yesterday. Okay, and since you already have your overall claim for your paper right here, and then you already have your claim for body paragraph 1 and your claim for body paragraph 2, you're going to go ahead and go back and look through Romeo and Juliet and find the 2 pieces of evidence that you are going to use to support this claim right here and this claim right here. Okay, and you're going to type those 2 pieces of evidence down here. Okay, this also says that you need to go ahead and put your citations in. Okay, that's what a citation looks like. It's going to be act number, dot, scene number, dot, line numbers, in parentheses.
No, we don't have to put the last name?
You do not have to put the last name because you're only using one source for this paper and you've already said that source's name in your intro paragraph. Okay, but I mean, if you want to put Shakespeare inside the parentheses, you can do that, but you do not have to because your reader is going to understand that all of your information is coming from that one play by William Shakespeare. Okay, and then when you get to step 4, you're going to go ahead and open the doc that you are going to be using to type your essay. On the doc provided in Google Classroom under Assignments, transfer your intro paragraph. You can copy and paste it. Okay, it's your own work. Then write 2 8-part body paragraphs, which you guys know contain 2 quote sandwiches. Okay? Context, quote, commentary. That quote sandwich, 2 of them make up 1 body paragraph. For each topic sentence, using the information you completed above, each paragraph should prove the reason your theme is true, using examples from the text as your evidence. Okay, and then number 5, still working on that other doc, you're writing a conclusion paragraph. Okay, you will be getting points for having this planning sheet filled out. Okay, because you would be surprised how much quicker and how much easier writing the actual essay will be if you already have all of this information organized, and if you already have the evidence that you're going to use, and you already have all of the ideas organized in your brain and on paper. Okay, planning for writing is a very important step. Okay, you guys have any questions about what you're working on today? All right, go ahead and get started.